morning, guys. How are you doing? Welcome to another weekly update on the Light Bag collection. So, how are you guys doing? How is your weekend? How have you been? I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend and everything. By the way, actually today I'm starting the vlog from the shop. Normally I start the vlog from the shop. Don't mind me for what I'm saying. This is always a weekly shop update on the decks carry board I'll be using for a particular project that is coming. So please, guys, finger crossed, just anticipate for that project to be soon done. And as you can see, the rail is here. We have all the projects we've done in the past. This is a jacket, a leather jacket I made back, but I didn't make video for this. If you guys really want to see, give this particular week updates. If we can get close to 30 likes, I will be making this, showing you the video on how to make this. I also have one here. This is particular, and this one is particular made for me. So as you can see, the projects we've made in the past, some of the projects here like this hat, then this bucket bag as well. Someone was asking of bucket bag. I say we make a bucket bag. The video is still on the channel as well. So on the couch, what do we have? Most of the bag are gone already. We send it to the client. It take close to more than a month for us to send it to the client, or for the client to request to their products, but we later do that. So I have just two bags, one body bag and another bag here. So we just start the updates. So last week I filmed most of these products I buy, which is on the decks where I stopped from last week. So I have some rivlet and suede material here, which is this particular one. Then the projects we'll be working on some duffel, not duffel, traveling bag. So I have material here like this particular one I bought, as you can see. This one here, then I have another one here. So but when I start, you see how beautiful the material is for the project. So without no further ado, that is it. Let them just proceed to making it. So let me say this: if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the post notification bell. Turn on the post notification so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think on this particular video? But make sure to watch this to the end, because there are some interesting things that will help you in your bag making process on this particular video that will be of use to you. And if you have someone that this video we are making or this channel will be of use to them, please recommend our channel to them for them to subscribe and watch our video. When you subscribe to this channel, you like our video, you are really helping us to make another project and put that out. Because if you see, most of these projects we are making, you have to go to other places to use your money to learn, but I decided to make it free for you guys, just help you out. Because when I started, I have no help like this, so that's just it. So I will see you as I proceed to rest with the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the other side. So welcome back, guys. This is still part of the update. So I decided to use this to answer a question someone asked, that how did I fix the zip for this particular bag. So by the way, if you watch the last week on very well, you will see that I have this which I call the side with the lining. As you can see, the same thing. Then there's another side with the lining. Then this will be the top where the zip is. You see, after you finish cutting the main front panel and the back panel, then you measure. When you measure, you decide where you want your side to stop and where you want your zip to start from, which is this particular one I decided. So all the measurements from left, top and the other side, I think it should be 39. Then I decide I want this particular one should be 8 inch, this should be 8 inch as well. So when you minus 8 plus 8, which is 16, when you minus that, it will be giving you 23. So this is 23 basically. So, and as you can see, I've sewn my zip to it with my taping and my lining under. So there's something something that is confusing the person that asks. So if you measure this particular one, which is down here now, this should give you 8. So if it's giving you 8, you have to include 2 inch. This place from here to here is 2 inch. Then you place this after you finish shaping this, before you sew anything to it, you place it, you turn it back just this way, you place it here where you are seeing this marker I use. You mark it. After you mark, Note it, why I'm showing you this is when you mark that, you won't cut exactly where you are marking, you have to shift it back, because when you cut exactly where you mark, there's no way the zip will be balanced. It will like this side will be balanced and the other side will not be balanced. It's just as if you fix a zip, maybe you open a zip, then you fix it, then one side is up, the other side is down. That's what it will be giving you. And when you want to open your bag, it will really affect the bag, which will uh make the zip to spoil quick. So you do it this way, the way I'm taking my time now to explain to you. After you put this, you lay this on this, you measure where the 2 inch you are adding, make sure you bring it out, then you lay this on this, then you use it, maybe your pen or your marker, your tailor chalk, to trace this out. After you trace it out, there's no particular measurement here, but you can just decide, maybe it's centimeter or anything you want it to be. But let's see, you see this is 1 centimeter, as you can see. So let's say you just pull 1 centimeter, then you cut it out, so then you sew it to it. So that is what I'm about to do now. I'm just taking my time to do this. So after I sew it out, but before you start sewing this, you should insert your zip to this side. When you insert your zip, you make sure you sew this side down. So the next thing I will be doing now, I will insert my zip. Because I'm using two zips, I will insert pardon me, I will insert one to this side, the other one to the other side, then I will fix this. After I fixed it, if I place this to it now, you see that this is much wider than the zip, or let me say longer. So after I place the one I did last week, if you watch it very well, I was complaining that I've shaped it before I fixed the zip, which make me to like do a folding at the top here, which look like a design, but it's not a design. But in tailoring or bag making, most of the mistake, if you know what you are doing, it will look like a design. So that's why I decided not to cut this out. After I finish fixing this, then I will be shaping that, and it will give me what I really need. So I think this has answered to your question, the question you asked. So I don't think I need to dedicate a video again to this particular bag. So from this, this is part of the weekly update. I'm not just making just one, I'm making some of it again. And again, there's something I need to show you for this. If you check this pocket I made here and the last week pocket is not of the same time, it's not of the same thing, as you can see. So how to make this pocket is, you measure where you want this front pocket to be. After you measure it, you add a hinge to it. Not just a inch, or maybe if you want this bottom to be like, the wideness should be 3 inch or 4 inch or 2 inch. Mine is 2 inch, so I added it to it. As you can see, this is just fold, then this is being attached to it at the side. As you can see, that's it. So then the inside I did is just as the way I did the last week on. I fold another one, then use this to tape it at the edge outside and fix the zip to it. So it's just a simple thing. Then in between these two, and this is 5 inch for you who don't know, or if you are new to the channel, this is 5 inch. Then the top here is 2 inch. But after you finish cutting, if you want to measure the 2 inch, it will be really difficult for you. So what I advise you to do is, you measure from this particular side to the other side here. So you indicate where it is in the center or here. So from there you use your ruler to know where your center is, then you bring it out. Or before you shape this, you fold and indicate your center, just like the way I normally indicate my center at the bottom here. So you do that up there. So when you want to fix this hand, it will be much easier for you to know the measurements and know where the hand is supposed to be. I hope this has answered to your question, the person that asked this particular question. And for those of you that asked the question in mind but did not find time to leave it in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing, and please turn on the post notification. Leave in the comment section below if you have any question or what you think of this particular video, if I'm explaining this well to you, or if you don't understand the way I'm explaining, please let me know in the comment section. If you find someone that is interested in this channel, please feel free to share this channel with them. You can give it to people that will be of use to them. And thank you guys, and we shall proceed to making the rest of the bag. After I finish, I'll just show you everything I've made and the rest of the weekly activities we are doing in the shop right now. So that's it for you guys. So good morning and welcome, guys. This is the second day of the weekly update making. So I just came to the office this morning, or let me say the shop, the workshop, the office, the production center, the factory. So I just came this morning. How are you guys doing? So I worked late last night, and even before last night, before yesterday, I was not feeling too well. That's why my voice changed. If you listen very well, you know my voice has changed a little bit. So I worked late last night to finish. By the way, we'll be starting the update from here today. So this bag here, that's the one I made yesterday. I was trying to make and let you guys see. So by the way, when I worked late yesterday, last night, I make another one because I said I will be making a lot of this. So this is the second one I made. I finished everything actually. I worked late, pretty late last night. It was about 12 before I locked the shop and went home. So that's what I did yesterday. And as you can see, I make it of two types. The first one is slightly different to this one, so the measurement is slightly different as well. So let me turn the camera and show you so that you understand what I mean by that. So this is what I mean by that. You see this 14 by 12 by 18. That's the first measurement for that particular one you saw outside. So when I was making this, I changed the measurement slightly. I turned here to 13, here 10, then here 20. So if you check this bag now, it's a little bit wider than the other one, but an inch shorter, not up to that one. That one is an inch taller than this. Then the wideness again, that one is a little bit wider, 2 inch wider than this, because that's how I. But if we measure it, it's not even 2 inch because I later turned here to 11. Then the top is now 10, where the zip is. So that is it. So what I will be doing today now, I will be continue the weekly updates, making other bags. So I pray if I'm able to finish all the bag in this particular video, I will show you and you see the progress. Most of the bag we are doing this day is traveling bag because of the season we have now. That's what people are demanding for. So we need to get to satisfy their need and finish up everything. As you can see, everywhere is just littered yesterday where I left the shop. I just have to clover the machine and do this. I was even thinking to take this home yesterday to go and work at home, but I know I'm not feeling well. Once I get home, I won't be able to do anything. It's just for me to rest, eat, and maybe watch a little bit of film. So that's part of the weekly update for you guys. So we'll proceed to the rest of making of the video, and we'll see you as on the other side. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, turn on the post notification, leave a comment in the comment section down below on what you think on this particular video. Share with your friends. You know this will be of help today. At least in every week update, if you watch closely, there will be something you find. There must be something you find that will be of help to you. It's not as if maybe I'm just doing this to just talk about what we are doing. There's no way you won't find something that will help you in this video. So you should always watch from the beginning to the end for better understanding. So welcome back, guys, to the rest of the video we are making this week. Hope you guys are enjoying it. So I talked about last week, I think I talked about this material I showed you that we're making a nursing bag with it. So finally we've made it, and it will be included in this week update. And as you see, these are rest of the material. So time has gone for me not to be able to make this again. I think I will not be making this, but expect this in next week updates, which is this like a texture or designable lining with this particular material, making a backpack with it, and the rest of the accessories I'll be using. This particular zip I'll be using it. This is size 10 zip. So if you are wondering which size is this, there's a video I've made way back. You should go and check on the channel. I talk about zip coat and zip heads, the best zip you should use for a particular project. I've talked about that in the past. So this is the bag. I didn't show how I make it because we've done it in the past, but it's very looking good and very beautiful. It has a 3 pocket at the front with this magic gum. Then another big pocket at the side for you to be able to put a wet diaper or anything there. Then the front you can put your feeder or some like bottle there. It has a cover with a top zip. Then the hang is long enough for you to carry as a shoulder bag or a handbag. So this is a nursing bag, and that's what we make today, this week. Then the rest of what we make is this particular traveling bag. As you see, I didn't show this, I just show like the back of it before I turn it. Then the first one we make is this one here. So let me keep them side by side. As you can see, now that I've put them side by side, you'll be able to spot the difference. This, both of them are almost of the same size, but this is taller than this, while this is wider than this. So if you listen earlier, I talk about these measurements where I slightly change the measurement. Like the wideness of this particular one, this one you are seeing here is 12 inch, while this is 11 inch. Then the height of this is 14 inch. I change this to 13 inch, while the wideness of this is 18 inch. Then this is 20 inch, so I change it slightly different. Even the handle, I change the handle as well. This particular handle, this one I'm pointing at, the handle is 33, while this is 22. Okay, no, this handle is 23, while this is 22. But when you carry it, it's even difficult for you to spot the difference. But the only difference you will be able to spot out that is this one is more wider than it, but you won't even be able to spot out quickly that this particular one is taller than this particular one. So I hope you guys love this particular video. As you can see, for those people that asked me how I make this as well, I hope I've answered to your question earlier, the way I explained how I make this particular and insert this zip for you on this one as well. So there's no way you can't make this. As you see, this is going down while this is a little bit up. So this is just simple thing you should be able to make yourself. But if you still have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Leave the post notification on. Leave it in the comment section if you have any question or any project you want me to do, so we'll get to that and work on it. If you have anybody that this will be of help to them, you can share this channel with them so that they can watch and learn from this. Thank you guys for watching, and this is this week updates. I think this should be episode 13 or 14 if I'm not mistaken, one of the two. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. So we shall proceed or start next week update from making the rest of this particular bag. I made one I didn't even show here. I just show you what we did for this week. So we're starting another one. When we are uploading this video, we will start another one. So that is it for you guys, and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wow, before you go, there's something I need to show you. As you can see, how we make this particular pocket is a little bit different to the previous one we used to make. As you can see, I cut this completely. Then from here, I didn't join anything again. There's a way I fold it. So if you want me to show you how to make this, please leave it in the comment section down below. Feel free to leave it there and give it a giant thumbs up for me to show you how I make this. And this one is a little bit different as well. I've talked about this earlier, that I sew another one to it from here to this place. Why this is a complete pattern, so you just need to figure out how to do this, but I can show you. It's as simple as you think, not difficult. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.